Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're just going to be tackling this air cleaner on the Mustang real quick. I went ahead and I got rid of my fiberglass 3-inch cowl induction hood. I just didn't really like the look of it anymore, so I decided to go back to a steel hood right here. Plus, I've got some more plans for this down the road. So for right now, though, we're going to be addressing the air cleaner. Right now, as it sits, my old air cleaner that I had on here, it was a little bit taller than this, and it will not fit anymore. So I have the same base, I have a new filter, and then I have a new top for it right here. But the thing is when I close the hood, it's pretty much resting right on top of this. You can see there's a little scuff on that right there. But so what we're going to do is we're going to change out this spacer right here and go for a smaller one, and hopefully that'll help solve our issue with this right here hitting the bottom of the hood. So let's go on ahead and get on it. I recently picked this up online right here. It's a Spectre Performance air cleaner riser kit. Part number is 4954. It's got about 3 different rings in here that you can go on ahead and use to space up your air cleaner off of your carburetor. So I'm gonna go on ahead and open this up. We're gonna see if one of these will work for us, and hopefully it'll take care of our issue here. The different sizes of these, so the smallest one is going to be a 1/4 inch, the second one is going to be a 1/2 inch, and then this one is going to be a 1 inch. I've currently got a 1 inch on there right now, so I know that that's not going to work for me. So we're going to try the 1/2 inch and see how that goes for us. All right, so the 1/2 inch will just go right there. All right, I think that'll just barely work for us. Our linkage will still clear on the side, so that looks good. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. It's no longer hitting this, I don't think, right here. It looks like it's still pretty close, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. So I'm gonna go on ahead and run it like that. I may try and change it out to this 1/4 inch spacer a little bit down the road if it gives me an issue. If I do end up using this one right here, I will have to change my fuel inlet on my Sniper. Right now it's just a straight connection. If I were to use the smaller one, I would have to put a right angle fitting on there and come up from the bottom with my fuel delivery. So we'll see how it works, but for now I think that'll be a lot better. So now let's go on ahead and get the new carburetor stud installed here. For the carburetor stud right here, I picked up, it's a 5-inch by 1/4-20 thread. It's another Spectre product. Part number is 4213. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there, mark it where I need to cut it, and then I'll probably have to trim it down a little bit. But if you guys are interested in this or the spacers, I'll have these linked in the description below for you. Whenever you cut some threads off, it's going to kind of mess them up down here. So a good little trick is to just take the nut or whatever you have and just run it back over them, and it should help kind of straighten them out there. There we go. No problems. Okay, so that's going to be all there is for this one right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.